This is the ultimate guide for Airbnb hosts to get more bookings and work less. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 9 expert tips that are guaranteed to increase your bookings and save you time. These are advanced tips that most hosts don't know about. If you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do within the next 15 minutes that'll be worth over $500 immediately. Let's dive right in with step number 1, split test your listing headline. Your listing headline is crucial for getting guests to actually visit your listing. Use keywords that'll get guests to click and highlight your most desirable amenities. Here's an example: the Maple Lodge log cabin in the woods. This headline does 3 things wrong. 1, it doesn't entice guests to click. There's nothing exciting about the Maple Lodge. Number 2, it doesn't highlight desirable amenities. Number 3, it lacks context. In what woods? Where? Is anything nearby? Here's a better alternative. 10 minutes from skiing, secluded cabin with hot tub. Right off the bat, we're hitting guests with something they'll love. 10 minutes from skiing, and we're highlighting a desirable amenity, the hot tub. We're also eliminating guesswork by stating exactly how far the cabin is from an attraction. Use a tool like IntelliHost to track which headlines convert best. Next, don't just get professional photos, also get professional editing. Your listing photos are crucial for getting guests to actually visit your listing. Use Fiverr to edit your photos and attract more guests. Here's an example. These are some photos without any editing, and they're missing 3 major things. 1, attractive lighting. 2, proper staging. And 3, color correction. Here are those same photos after being retouched by an editor on Fiverr. Right off the bat, the photos do a way better job of catching your eye and making you want to see more. We're highlighting some of the listing's awesome features like the fire pit, and we're eliminating guesswork by clearly showing that the TV is a smart TV. Once you've done that, it's time to move on to your pricing. This is where almost every host drops the ball in a big way. What most hosts do is they take a best guess at what their pricing should be. Or even worse, some hosts try to just copy their competitors who also have no clue what they're doing. Instead, use a dynamic pricing tool like PriceLabs. It'll automatically adjust your rates so they're never too high or too low. You'll also be able to see exactly what your competitors are actually getting booked for, which is super helpful. It'll also give you access to some advanced customization options that other hosts don't get. If you want step-by-step training that'll walk you through how to do this, check out B&B Tribe. You'll get easy to follow training on everything we've covered so far. Plus, you'll join an awesome community of fellow hosts and get over $4,000 in discounts on these tools and more as soon as you join. If you want to check it out, it'll be the top link in the description down below. In the number 4 spot, I wish I knew the difference between an A cleaning team and a B cleaning team early on. This is where almost every host drops the ball in a big way. What most hosts do is hire a cleaner who lives nearby and has never worked on Airbnbs before. Even worse, some hosts try to clean the listing themselves, and all that does is burn them out. Instead, try this. Find a small to medium-sized cleaning company with 2 to 5 cleaners. Make sure they have experience cleaning Airbnbs. Ask them ahead of time to make sure they'll check your calendar and schedule themselves so you don't have to worry about it. Get quotes from a few companies to be sure that you're getting a fair rate, and only work with cleaners who are 100% reliable, do great work, and are easy to work with. Though it's simple, these first 4 things are absolutely crucial. But if you want to take it even further, these next 5 tips are more advanced and even more powerful. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you the tip I learned just recently that skyrocketed my bookings. Once you've hired an amazing cleaning team, it's time to add a professional portfolio manager. This will easily save you hours every week and give you way more freedom to travel and host remotely. But most hosts make a critical mistake on this. Most hosts hire a $4 an hour VA who only handles basic guest communication. Instead, invest a bit more and hire someone who can actually manage everything from guest communication to maintenance scheduling and issue resolution. You'll spend more per hour, but it'll be well worth it for the time that you'll save and the freedom you'll gain. Case in point, I was recently in Asia for about a month while my properties ran smoothly back in Canada, and it only costs a fraction of what professional co-hosts will charge. Once you've hired your portfolio manager, it's time to start leveraging AI. Set your listing up with Bestie AI and turn on inquiry winbacks and AI upsells. Bestie will now follow up on all booking inquiries to make sure they book. It'll also upsell your existing guests by offering to extend their stays. The best part is that you literally do nothing once it's set up. Just let it do its thing and you'll get more bookings. Best AI will also automatically reply to about 80% of guest messages. This will free up lots of time for your portfolio manager so they can focus on higher leverage tasks. Next, here's a more advanced strategy that'll pretty much guarantee you an extra 20 to 30% more bookings: email marketing. There's a trick to this though. In just a second, I'm gonna tell you about the tool I use that's an absolute must-have. For email marketing, you're gonna collect guests' email addresses and send them emails once a month. The email should entice guests to book and highlight events that are happening in the area. You can even automate these emails so you can set it and forget it. Now, the tool I use for this is called SKYROCKET. SKYROCKET hooks up to your existing Wi-Fi and takes guests to a splash page when they try to connect. So instead of inputting a password to connect to the Wi-Fi, guests will input their email address. This is the exact same strategy that hotels, airports, and coffee shops use, and it works. Next up, let's talk about your easiest way to outperform your competition. And after that, I'm gonna share the tip I learned just recently that skyrocketed my bookings, so make sure you watch till the very end. My second last tip is to hire a specialized interior designer. There's a special trick to this though that I'll share in just a sec. Have them take a look at your space and recommend improvements. Adding the right amenities and improving your design can lead to huge ROI. I recently spent about $5,000 upgrading one of my listings and saw that back within less than 30 days. The trick is to work with a designer though who specializes in short-term rentals. That way they'll focus on improvements that'll actually lead to more bookings. And last but not least, as we all know, you need to do everything in your power to get 5-star reviews. And this last tip is one I learned just recently that's been making a huge difference. It's like a secret hack to getting consistent 5-star reviews. First, you've got to bend over backwards to make sure your first few guests are happy. Do whatever it takes. When mistakes happen, go above and beyond to make it right. Don't be stingy with gifts and refunds when needed. But here's the secret to getting way more 5-star reviews. Send guests a rating scale. You can easily find templates like this one online. Adjust it to your listing and send it to every guest after they check out. This will help turn well-meaning 4s into glowing 5s. Now, like I said earlier, if you want special discounts on all the tools that I mentioned in this video, then check out B&B Tribe. If you want step-by-step walkthroughs to help you set all this stuff up, that's included in B&B Tribe as well. It's $49 a month and you'll get over $4,000 in discounts and savings on awesome Airbnb tools right when you join. Plus, we'll show you how you can make more money on Airbnb and still have a ton of fun hosting. And you'll also join an awesome community of hosts who will help you to succeed and have fun on Airbnb. Like I said before, the link to check it out will be at the top of the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.